Alright, so what was it, like a week ago? I went to a gun show and I went and got a lower because I was going to build another AR. And shortly after that, I decided, I was like, you know what? I might as well just build 300 Blackout because I already had one AR. So went on Palmetto State Armory around what was it, around Wednesday, like the Wednesday before Black Friday. Got a good ass deal. Got the barrel, lower kit, comes with some Magpul stuff in it, and comes with the stock the brace attachment. So don't say stock, but yeah, man. So got this for $430, and about to open it up now. Oh yeah, American made. Good old US of A. There we go. Ooh. So this has the M-lock system. I never used it before, so comes with a bulk carrier group. I'm going to change that out, and charger handle, definitely going to change that out. I'm going to put a nickel boron bulk carrier group in that. And I don't know what I'm going to change the charging handle to. Probably a Raptor charging handle. Or I'm going to try that gunfighter from BCM. So try that out. Got the parts kit. Everything in there. See your brace, buffer tube, spring. What is that? Like the handles right there. Came in a nice box. Like I said, it cost $430, so I think it was a pretty good deal. Oh yeah, the barrel is 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. Where's my lower at? Yeah, so this is the lower, Anderson lower. Got this for $60. Yeah, that's pretty much how I bought that's pretty much what I bought my other one for, so pretty good deal. Anything over $70, you get ripped off. So yeah, I wouldn't buy anything over $70. So I'm definitely gonna, once I get this all together, definitely gonna update you guys. I don't know what kind of site I'm gonna put it on. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what kind of site I'm gonna put on this. I got a good Bushnell site that I might throw on this just for the time being, till I get something new. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna open this parts kit because I don't want shit to be flying around. So I'm just leave it like it is. But yeah. So when I get this all together, I will put another video up. Deuces.